Hey guys, welcome back once again to our YouTube channel. So today's news and all is on January 5th, 2021 is a container ship suffered water ingress and was listed taken to port in China. Container ship HUA MAO 369 issued a distress signal on January 2 of Xiamen while en route from Zhuhai to Shanghai. The ship suffered water ingress in the cargo hold. Developing list. Xiamen port authorities managed to take HUA MAO 369 in the evening same day, just in time to avoid possible grounding of a listed ship with increased draft in low tide. She was berthed. All containers are to be offloaded. The ship is to be taken to Xiamen shipyard for repairs. Cause of water ingress is yet unknown. Container ship HUA MAO 369 IMO 3262 558 GWT 35079 capacity 1878 TEU built 2003 flag China. If you like this information, do share with your friend and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.